Hello, my wonderful people. I want to quickly react on the Igbo woman based in Canada who recently made a hate speech against the Yorubas and the Dos on TikTok that is going viral now. And at the same time, I also want to talk about the stand of Ohaneze Ndigbo and other people. I also state my own stand on this particular issue. If you are not opportune to, but must have heard that news because of copyright issue, I'm not going to be playing the voice note here. In that voice note, she said that let them put poison in the food of every Yoruba people wherever they are working, in their workplace. Put the hatred they have for Igbo is too much that we should also give them back to back what the way they hated us, the way they're fighting us, the way they're doing this, the Igbos. They should give it to them, poison their food. Any Yoruba person, any Edo person, poison their food. This and that. Blah, blah, blah. No, she said a lot in that particular video on TikTok, and she forgot that she is live. I don't know why she would able. So she don't. In other words, she know what she was doing. Now, Nigerian government have simply written the American Canadian government. They're talking about repatriating her to come and face the music back home. This morning, here in California, it's still morning. Today is 29th of August 2024. She has also replied, according to the news, that she can never be repatriated. Last day, we were hearing that she said it is act of the devil, it's a mistake, blah, 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 those kind of stuff. Then I also want to add, I just heard the news from Parara Mock news. So I'm going to be touching this area, both Ohaneze and Ndigbo stand. Number one, let me start from the list. Parara, whom read that news. You know, some of you, I've had some of my Igbo brother who said they don't like Parara. They're against him the way he attacked Ndigbo. That guy, for me, to a great extent, is always standing on what he knows as the truth. With this news he read now, Parara has won my love. He doesn't know, even though I know he wouldn't care whether I love him or not. He's doing his business, making his money, saying the truth there much as long as it's within his disposal. But I want to state here, Parara was so, he spoke my mind. He nailed it. Hi, Parara said in his news, let me say recap. He said that our leaders, you people are our problem. Even as much as this lady went too far, but how fast you guys can just automatically pick him up, her up. There are so many comments, chats that people are saying against each other, against different tribes, more especially against the Igbos, that nobody is doing anything about it. But immediately they had this woman, they quickly write to the Canadian embassy that if they're prosecuting, they should prosecute everybody who is making any hate speech or whatever on social media. Parara, God bless you. You won my heart and the heart of many. Now, then I also heard from Ohaneze Ndigbo who say they have disowned this our woman for making that ultron. They disown him. Ohaneze, I disagree with you. She is our sister, except maybe they have checked her background is not of Igbo. She's claiming it's a different. But if it's a Igbo, because of this statement, he say you want to disown her. That is wrong. We don't own people when they're doing well. Had it been that she's called a very big mark in WAEC, or she gave gold now to make broke record, that the every of you now, this is our Igbo illustrious son, Onwaf Igbo. So we don't reject people because of them when they make mistake. Stand by her, correct her, punish her, do everything you want to do her. She is still Igbo. That is, so I disagree with you. Or they say they disown her. They disassociate themselves from the statement. Good. But disowning her, that is too far. Then, on the woman, I want to advise her. That is why, when you know that you are in the midst of wickedness or enemies, you watch your mouth, you watch your tongue. This is what I keep telling some of our brothers who are into agitation. You don't make mouth. They say Igbos talk too much, and that is the truth. Most of what we are doing is always on social media. We sell ourselves on social media, attack our brother on social media, reveal our secret on social media. And people will never take us serious. God has blessed Ndigbo. They have a lot upstairs, but their mouth is bigger than what they deliver. Once of the day, they will finish up that party they God has given to them with their mouth. At the end of the day, enemy will attack them. They will not be able to deliver. You look as if they don't have anything to offer. They have a lot, but their mouth has destroyed it. So, madam, you should have known that you are in the midst of enemy. How will you open your mouth, poison their food? That's one. It's wrong. Number two, you don't generalize. That is the problem I have with so many people. Yoruba people are wicked. Igbo people are wicked. Why will you generalize? A man came and said, women are devil. Women are devil. Women. After saying, I kept quiet. One day I called him, hey, hello, son of devil. How are you? He was so angry. Why are you calling me? I said, you are the son of devil. So you two are son of devil. I said, why are you angry? You said to that time that all women are devil. You said, yes. Your mother not a woman. It's not that what? No. You don't generalize. You speak when the way you should speak, the way you should speak. Not just making any general statement, condemning a race. Black people, black people. Who told you there are no good blacks? He don't condemn a race, a color, a people because of somebody's action. Black people. That is what I'm against with somebody. You know the person I'm talking about. They always call black man just because of one thing. Black man. Why will black man? Are you okay? You should be again. When the time you condemn black race, you are saying God, you created rubbish. You are insulting God indirectly. You don't do that. Now, coming to Nigerian government who have written to repatriate her. So you guys know how to work very, very fast in this manner. Ordinary TikTok comment, you took action. But someone like MC Olomo made a post before presidential election in 2023 that he's going to buy all the Igbos if the dead vote, if they didn't vote APC. Nobody said anything. We even made a video, provided his address here in America where we stay. Nobody, no government did not see that post. Government did not hear him. But immediately, Ohaneze Ndigbo in Lagos replied him that if you are coming to demolish Ndigbo, they're going to bring Eze. And immediately you guys heard it. That man is still in prison. Today he's still in custody more than 1 year now for replying a threat that was made against Ndigbo. MC Oloma is walking about. I just saw a video of recently where he was caught sleeping with somebody's wife. Nobody, the government did not see it. This is making noise for me. Government did not see it. Government did not notice that particular threat. But they saw the one with an Igbo man replied. And what is the offense? That if you come out, we are going to bring us in to defend the people. Which in that video, when I saw that video, I requested for that man's number to call him to escape because I know something was coming. After 3 days, I kept on looking for his number before he was arrested. I know that's what's going to happen. Nobody had that threat against the whole Igbo people. Nobody, government did not see it. I started to become brand this AK-47 on live video. Many people have the video and threatened to destroy all Igbo race. The government did not see it. They've not heard it. They've not noticed it till now. Asari is working freely. And he has consistently making that particular threat to Igbo nation. Government have never read it before. They've not seen it. They don't go to TikTok whenever those people make. But when Igbo person does the same mistake other people have been making, the government will catch on it. That's why I keep asking. When the same people now because you hate them, we say they don't belong to Nigeria, you say bring them, let them be pied, let them pie all of them. Why are we so why are we so partial in our judgment? Why are we so sentimental? Why are we so segregational? I mean, Nigerian government. What really can we say that we really belong? Igbos belong to Nigeria? Can you just tell me? An Oba of Lagos stood up and said that he would throw all the Igbos in Lagoon if they don't vote their candidate. No arrest, no call for questioning, no, they didn't even hear it. But a woman now, who just out of anger, all the things that has made against her, foolishly made a statement on TikTok. They are calling for her repatriation to come and face the music. They're sending a report against him. Well, while making this video, I don't want to stay my stand. The woman, what she did was wrong. She only did what other tribe had been doing, but she had been reported. If the woman really knew or really know how the Igbos are being seen in this country, she shouldn't have joined this wicked to do their in. Because when they have to be threat, it must come from them. When it has to be that the Igbo must all by, it must come from the other tribe, not from Igbo. So, madam, I don't know why you went and joined them and know what they know best to do. And you have done it as Igbo man. Look at it. You have to face the music. I will not defend you. You did wrong. But at the same time, this is what other people, they are monopolized to attack Igbos. They are monopolized to draw hate speech against Igbo. It is only them that have that monopoly. So any Igbo man should know that. That's why I pity my brother Peter Obi, who think that he said in Nigeria, he want to contest and win. If he win, it's not going to be given to you, whether you like it or not. I pity him, who has never seen that Igbo man doesn't have a place in Nigeria. I pity him, those who never knew that Igbo man has no future in Nigeria. When we said this, he said maybe you are talking about segregation, but the things are obvious. It has consistently been happening. And what the Igbo man should do, go and build your place. Build your land. Who knows? Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. I'm not talking about Biafra, no. But I'm talking about Igbo man should know that they don't have a position in Nigeria. They should take care of them place. That is saying they're going to develop all in Nigeria. This is my stand. Nigeria government, right on. We are seeing your partial judgment because whenever any case comes to an Igbo person, you will take your stand. We are watching, we are seeing. But I know one day God will handle this matter by the prayer, commitment, and we will be calling on him. Madam, it's unfortunate you fell for this. Your ignorance made you lose it. You better be careful and watchful when next you make. Thank you, wonderful people. My name is Jovika. Just broadcasted from Jovika TV. See you on my name broadcast. This is Madam. Please help me share this video. Follow this page if you're not following. Please, can you just follow us on this channel you're watching? I love you guys. Bye-bye. Ndị Igbo Rule of John in collaboration made the IDI, Igbo Development Initiative. A very group of people, 20 people, Chineke goziri. Ha sa akụnụba ha ga-eri alone. He were na plan ụta ga-esi measure ala Igbo. Since our government has failed us. And ụta she measure through industries, companies and ihe niile. Ha run the company. Ihe ndị ha na-arụpụta ihe ndị a na-achọpụtasị ụmụ Igbo nwere talent ụmụ nwere ụmụ Igbo ndị na-arụ ihe ndị mmadụ na nwere nke rụpụtara ihe ị na-anụbe before the thing ga-hit very soon. Ọ rụpụtara ihe a na-ahụtụ before ihe na-achị bid the boy na emume na company ahụ ebido wee establish the whole world ga na-abịa egoro ndị Igbo ihe by so economy grow wele be part of this move. Elekwala ihe ka ọ na-eme soro mee ihe ka a na-ele gị. Join IDI with just $1,000. Register with $100, $120 dues again. You are a full member. And you give details of ihe na-aga. Akwụnye gị n'ọkụ. Ekele m ndị niile join na aka ma ha nụrụ my broadcast. So na bata nke akwụnye ụlọ n'ọkụ. Ala Igbo mere ka akwụnyere obodo niile nọ n'ụwa ọkụ. Aka ndị Igbo so ya. Karịsịa Lagos, ọ ndị Igbo kwụnye Lagos n'ọkụ, kwụnye Abuja n'ọkụ, kwụnye Kano n'ọkụ, kwụnye Kaduna n'ọkụ. Bịa na ka akwụnye n'ala Igbo n'ọkụ. Ka a hapụ ewu ndị Naijiria na-enye ọkụ obodo ndị ọzọ. Anọ m na Niger, Togo ji ndị Naijiria ụgwọ n'ọkụ a na-enye ha. Ma ndị Naijiria na-enye ha ọkụ enweghị ọkụ. Akwụchakwa ụgwọ enweghị ọkụ. Bịa na ka ndị Igbo ka anyị kwụnye na obodo anyị n'ọkụ, anyị akwụnye ndị ọzọ n'ọkụ, ka anyị kwụnyekwunu nwaanyị n'ọkụ. Ọ ha ji ekwokwu Igbo ruo ụlọ. Ụzọ achịkwa na-aga n'ihu na anyị nwere ekukwu owere ahịa na ndị mmadụ na-agba ọsọ. Ọnwụ niile nwatakịrị nwa bụ iwe ịnọ alaba ịnọ obodo niile ndị a na-akwatụchi stọọ ị nwere nwa bụ ị ga-edu edu bịa zụrụ stọọ n'Owerri tinye the boy na shop ya na akwụkwọ rent forever income. Enweta chikwata shop gị na alaba ire ọcha da bịa were alụ. We have spaces ebe anyị na-achịkọlata ụmụ Igbo ka ha bịa were mepe shop anyị. Onye wepụrụ ọnụ na nne ya sịkwala na nne ya jụrụ ya ara. Enwere shop 12 million, 9 million. The least was 7.5 million. Enwere instrumental payment, but the price will gabago. So call my number, Jovika. I am involved. I may get involved in him not his shop. And when I see here scam, can I upload video? Down what I can make advert this and one AI na me life. Call my number in a screen. ka nkọwara gị ka agbuwara gị ọrụ ka ị nwee store. Don't use that money gaa goro moto ga-akpọkachi taa na echi, but store ga-anọ forever. Gị richa gị rifọrọ nwa. That's 2 3 4 5. Ekele m nwanne nwoke si obodo UK wee kpọọ ogologo 3. Ekele m onye nke kpọkwara from Washington ogologo 1. So because of security ịwa hịkpọ ahụ, but ihu video mmadụ adị m happy na that business you made with us. Thank you and God bless you. Aka m bụkwa Joe Vika. Emesiano.